Ma'am, where am I going? Hey little mamas, welcome back to another video. For those that are new, hey girl, my name is Renee. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. So girl, as you can tell by the title, I'm about to be doing a Missguided try on haul. So if y'all are interested in seeing this video, make sure to keep on watching. And y'all ignore this background, like my dresser. Yeah, it's a whole process, girl. Like if y'all see my last vlog, if you're not subscribed, if you're subscribed, then you would know that I've been struggling with putting this dresser together, so it's just gonna have to be what it is. So just ignore that bit. Okay girl, so let's get right into this video. So the first thing I'm gonna be showing you all is some accessories. So let's get into accessory number one. So the first thing that I'm gonna be showing you all is this cute little bag. Girl, this is so cute. So if you all have seen like any of my other try on hauls from Missguided, I have like another bag similar to this, but it's a little bit bigger. But girl, this is so cute to me. So it's like a little mini little tote bag, and it's in black, and it just has Missguided on the front. Let me tell y'all the prices, because Missguided has a sale right now. I think 60% off their whole entire website. So you better go on their website, girl, because I think it's 60% off. So this is called the Black Mini Branded Pouch Shoulder Bag, and this was only $14. Okay, we like a baddie on a budget, okay? We like a baddie on a budget. This is so cute, y'all. So I'm definitely going to be rocking this. I don't know if my phone can fit in here, so that might be a little problem. Let me see. Girl, cannot. The phone cannot fit in here. So honestly, yeah, the phone cannot fit in here. But I do have like a little wallet that can fit in here. My lip glosses can fit in here. So it's not going to be like a huge problem. I guess I can just carry my phone. But this is just so super cute. So I'm just like, how can I not get this? How can I not? Okay, so the next things that I got that are accessories are going to be these earrings. I don't really have that many earrings, so I kind of want to like get some, you know, step up my style when it comes to earrings. So, oh my gosh, come on. Thank you. Like, go down the street, baby. The grass is cut. It can't get no lower. Alright, y'all, so I got these really cute earrings. These earrings right here, they're like a green color, a green and clear color. I just thought these were so cute. I just live for a small little hoop moment. Like, it's just like my thing. So I also got these gold earrings right here. And these are like double hoop. Okay, so the green ones were $7. And then the gold ones was $5. So I feel like that's a really good deal, y'all. And plus, I got this stuff off like, I think I got like 55% off, so you cannot beat that. So yeah girl, get you some accessories, because Missguided be having some good accessories for the low low, okay? Alright y'all, so let's get right into the clothes. Ma'am, where am I going? Oh my gosh, y'all. Girl, let me tell y'all, okay, so this is supposed to be oversized, right? So I already knew, so I ended up going down a size, because I knew that when Missguided says oversized, oh baby, that's what they mean, okay? So I went down a size, but girl, it did not. Look how long this is, y'all. And just for reference, I am short. I'm like 4'11", so yeah, just keep that in mind. Let me tell you how much this was and what size I got. So this is called the Orange Poplin Oversized Shirt Dress. It's $23, and I got this in a size 10. I normally would get like a size 12, but this is a size 10, y'all. And as y'all can see, big AF, y'all. Like, oh my god. And I just thought this was so cute. Like, I love orange. Orange is like one of my favorite colors. And I just love how orange looks on my body. But girl, this is not it, Missguided. Like, come on. And I really wanted to wear this, y'all, because I'm going on vacation at the end of the month. Well, this weekend, actually. And girl, this is not it, baby. Yeah. I mean, I could like wear. Let me tell you. Let me button this sleeve up. So I could wear like a little belt, but I don't be really liking that style on me. I don't know, cause I could wear like a belt, y'all, but I kind of don't want to do that. So I'm gonna probably return this, because this ain't it, baby. Like, this is too big. Why they do your girl like that? Why do they do your girl like that? But it's cute though, you know. So I should have got like a size 8. But sometimes Missguided sizing be kind of off sometimes, y'all. Because I swear, I have like oversized things and I went down one size and it'd be fine. but sometimes it don't be working out that way. So yeah, this is just a close-up of how it looks. This orange is so cute. Missguided, count your days. Nah, I'm just kidding. I love Missguided. But girl, this is not it either. Like, what sizing scale was I on? So this is, let me tell y'all before we get into it, honey. This is a white button through denim cami mini dress. So when I was reading this, I probably didn't read it correctly because I was thinking that this wasn't going to be stretchy because it's denim. But girl, it do got some stretch to it. Like, it is stretchy. So I ended up getting a way bigger size than what I normally wear because I have thighs, honey. My stomach is not flat. So I was like, you know what, let me just go up a size because I know that it's not going to stretch. But girl, I was wrong. So yeah, this was $27, not too shabby. I thought this was so cute online. As y'all can see, it looks like this, and it's just like a heart shape. So I feel like it's definitely too big in the chest area. So yeah, because I was definitely going to wear this without a bra. But girl, I cannot wear this without a bra because yeah, it's just too big up here. And then I feel like, honestly, it's just big all over. Like, it's honestly too big all over. I want it to be a little bit more fitted. See, I went up a size because I thought it was going to be tight. Because, you know, denim, sometimes denim does not be stretching. So, that's what I was going for. But, girl, this is not it, baby. Like, this is too big up here. Y'all see that? Baby, this is not it. So, this going back. Put it back in the going back pile. Because this is not it. But I think this is a really cute dress. But if it was just, like, a little bit more fitted, then I would have really liked it. But yeah, girl, so just in case y'all want to order this, I feel like you should get your exact size because it is very stretchy material. So yeah, let's go on to the next. Okay, y'all. So this is another dress. I think this is so cute. This is called the Black Rib Halter Top Cutout Medaxi Dress. So this is $19. I got this in a size 10. It's just like a halter top. I don't know. It's not really giving me what I thought it was gonna give. And then I feel like also it's very long. It did say Medaxi. When I think of midi, I'm thinking like maybe right below the knee. But because I'm short, like I said, I'm 4'11". Yeah. Tell me what y'all think. I don't know. Like, okay, y'all. So let's get into this shirt. So I love like really cute graphic t-shirts. So I ended up just getting this one. I don't really know how I feel about it. Like, I don't know. I mean, it's okay, you know. They had a collab with Space Jam. So this is a Space Jam, green Space Jam print, oversized t-shirt. And this was $16. I think it's okay, y'all. Like, you know. I mean, should I just keep it? I mean, I don't know. I mean, I think it's okay. So yeah, I got a size medium in this because it was labeled oversized, but I feel like I should have got like a large because I kind of like my graphic tees to be like kind of baggy. So once again, girl, it's my fault. Like, I don't know what the heck I was thinking when I was picking out these clothes. And then I also got these flared out pants. This is called the Black Zebra Print Split Hem Flared Trousers. So these are $18. So I was gonna wear these two together. But baby, I just don't really think I'm feeling the pants because the pants are, of course, too long for me. I got these in a size 10, and it does have like a split. Can y'all see? It does have like a split on the end. Y'all see that? It has a split on the end. Yeah, they're very comfortable though, but they're just too long. So I'm probably gonna return these. I feel like I'm not keeping anything. Like, girl, I'm not keeping anything. Like, what did I even get? Like, I don't understand. Okay, y'all, so this is going to be, like, the last items. So, I got another little graphic tee. And this one is oversized. So, I don't know why I got this one in large. And then the last one I showed y'all was the oversized tee, too. But I got that in a medium. Girl, make it make sense. I don't know what I was doing. This is called the White U.S. Brooklyn Graphic Oversized T-shirt. And this was only $14. This is so cute. So yeah, I just love little graphic tees because you can literally wear this with anything. Super cute. And then also what I have on with it, I'm on these charcoal, can y'all see? These charcoal jersey split hem leggings. So it's kind of the same leggings as the ones I just showed you all. but they're in this little charcoal color, like dark gray. So it looks like this. Can y'all see that? Dark gray vibes, and it has the hem. These are kind of long too, but I kind of like these better than the last one I just tried on. These are really, really comfortable, and you can pull them all the way up if you want, which I probably won't do. I'll probably have them sitting like on the waist. But these are so cute to me. And girl, I got me some heels. I got me some heels. So let me show y'all these heels that I got. I think these are so cute. What are these called? These are called the Taupe Faux Suede Asymmetric Mid-Heel Sandals. So these were $28. They were originally $64. I said, baby, no ma'am. When I said $28, I said I gotta get this. So these are so cute to me. So it's just like asymmetrical. And yeah, these are so cute. I love the color taupe. Like, this is definitely like in my color scheme. So these are so cute. So let me show you how it looks on the actual foot, because I do have on, let me put both of them on. Hold on. Let me put both of these on so y'all can really get the vibes. Y'all, don't be laughing at my toes, because my toes are kind of jacked. Don't be laughing at my toes. But yeah, these are how they look. I feel like they actually look kind of cute with the hem pant. Can y'all get the vibe? So yeah, I think these are so cute, y'all. Don't mind Bella and her little toy. But these are so cute to me. So it's not like a real like big heel. Let me kind of roll up though, so y'all can really get the vibes. So it's not like a real big heel, which I like, because I really do not like wearing heels like that. But these are so cute. Alright, y'all, so that is basically the end of this video. Let me know which piece was your favorite. Should I do like a part 2? Like, what other stores should I shop at? I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And I'll catch you in my next video. Peace.